this tutorial, you'll learn how to import contacts from a CSV file in SalesCaptain. Let's dive in. Navigate to Contacts in the left sidebar to navigate to your Contacts page. Now click the Options button at the top of the page and select Upload CSV from the drop-down. Go ahead and click Choose File, or simply drag and drop your prepared CSV file into the upload area. On the Map field screen, match each of your CSV column headers to the corresponding SalesCaptain field, for example. Map name to first name, phone to phone number, and email to email. Select the option to apply a tag to all imported contacts and type in something like CSV import June, so you can easily find it later. If you have any additional columns, go ahead and map those to custom fields. For instance, you can map a source column to custom field. Once everything looks good, click Import, and you'll see a progress bar as your contacts are uploaded into SalesCaptain. When the import finishes, you'll get a summary showing total contacts imported, any duplicates and more. Finally, reload the page to see your changes, and there you go. Those are all the contacts you just imported from your CSV file. And that's it. Head to salescaptain.com to start your free trial today.